Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your language in Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget wallet, and after opening the wallet you will get to see a bunch of options into this homepage. You just simply have to select this 4 circles icon into the top left corner. Tap into that, and after tapping into that you will get this section of languages into performances. Just simply select language option, and then you can select any among these available options. Just simply choose the language which you would like to select, and in one tap your language will be changed. This way you can very easily change your language into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.